remember this melody. It goes.
Back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about a clay mask. So this is the one I'm talking about. It is the Aryas by Lara Dutta. So this is how the packaging looks like. Aryas is a skincare brand by Lara Dutta. So you have her picture right here and the details mentioned here. It is a revitalizing face mask with French red clay and witch hazel. So you may be knowing that red clay and witch hazel both are very good for our skin. Like they are used as as ingredients in many of the face masks out there. So let's see what they claim at the back. So they say that it's a mask with the French red clay and witch hazel and absorbs dirt, oil and other impurities to purify the skin, reduce appearance of blackheads, infused with smart active Fuco gel. This mask brightens and improves skin texture, leaving it feeling rejuvenated. It says that you can apply an even layer on the dry skin, avoiding eyes and lip, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it with water. So you can use it 3 times a week for best results. Then they say that the caution you have to take and all. And then all the details like where is manufacturer, license details, expiry, like all the ingredients and all is mentioned here. It's manufactured in India, Mumbai itself. And it has a good shelf life, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it says the all certifications and all, and it is a 100-gram full size product. This is how the outer cardboard looks like, and then this is the actual mask. It's very heavy, like it's full 100 grams. So this is how the actual packaging, like inside packaging, looks like. It looks very luxurious and very nice, and the MRP of this one is 375 rupees, and it is available at, I think so, it's available across their website. You can just check that website, www.skentielsworld.com. So they say that it's not tested on animals, it's vegan. So that's a great thing, and all the details are again mentioned over here. If you lose the box, in case you have the details right here. And then I'll just show you how the mask looks like. So this is the texture. It's like reddish pinkish in color, and it's like very soft and mild. It does not have any scrub particles in it, and once it dries out, like when you remove it, you can see a glow in your face. You can see a like change in your face. It removes the dirt, the blackheads and all very nicely. So I'll just like remove my makeup, apply the mask, and I'll be back. So this is how it looks like I've just applied it, and once it dries out, I'll just clean it and then I'll show you my face. So that's how my face looks like after the mask is off. Like this is it, like in close-up you can see it's so clean and like very nice and hydrated. It does not look dried out. I don't have to use a moisturizer after this. Like it's so soft and so fresh. So yeah, if you're interested in buying a good face mask, like this is the one you can go for. It's a bit pricey, but you can buy it on discount or from Smitten for trial point. You can try it out. So I'll give the buying link in the description so you can check it out. So that's all for my review. It's a good mask from my side. It's a pass. So if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.